Introducing the KnoxEntry SmartLid, the only direct TRACcess Track Vault Bluetooth lid replacement, and the Knox box with SmartLid for new installations. The Knox SmartLid is the latest addition to the Knox family of products. The system consists of a box that secures keys and access cards, a mobile app that is used to gain access to the box, and Knox Connect Cloud, the management system that gives the right people access to the right boxes and logs all access activities. Replacing the Super Lid with the Knox SmartLid is easy. Simply use the Super app to remove the Track Vault lid and replace with the Knox SmartLid, using the app to assign the lid to the location. Authorized users can securely open the SmartLid using the Knox app. Open the Knox app on your phone, enter your credentials, and click Open. When the app shows the lid is unlocked, simply turn the knob and remove the lid. When you are done with keys, simply put the lid in place and turn the knob to lock it back in place. All Knox devices and users and sharing arrangements are managed through Knox Connect, and box access can be shared with other companies who need the keys to provide their services. All access is logged and can be viewed, and notifications can be set. Knox SmartLid and Knox Box with SmartLid, the newest members of the Knox e-lock system, for flexible, secure access and the only direct replacement lid available for the TRACcess system.